Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Once again, welcome back to my channel, Mindful English with Shivani Sharma. And today, I am just showing you one kind of bulletin board, right? And there you can see this is Zero Waste is our aim. And you must have seen this kind of bulletin boards, this kind of advertisement, this kind of posters at many places, and especially in schools. In schools, corridors of schools, classrooms, they have rallies, they have so many different kind of activities for this. No problem, right? So, but यहाँ पर मुझे क्या अच्छा लगा? They have a very simple this board, right? And they have conveyed this message, zero waste is our aim, and so let's segregate. And they have shown these different kind of containers: cooked food, organic, uncooked food, paper, fabric, right? And I mean, there are so many. I think these are, if I can count it, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8, 10, right? And then a beautiful word starts with you. So that means कि whatever we are expecting from others, we have to do by our own, on our own, right? हमें खुद करना है. और मुझे यहाँ पर सबसे अच्छी चीज़ तो क्या लगी, दिखाऊं? अभी चलती हूँ, बारिश हो रही है, मेरा कहीं फ़ोन गिला ना हो जाए. Just wait, yeah, right? And they have these kind of buckets here, right? And they are actually doing it. So what I'm trying to say, if they have written something on bulletin board, if they have used paper for that, and you must have noticed that the paper is very simple, right? This is broken glasses and this recyclable glasses. They have all these containers, but these are actually baskets for these things. So what I'm trying to say, what I'm trying to tell you, so this kind of message we can give to our schools also, right? So I mean, I may be wrong, but I'm not sure. There may be many schools who might be doing this, actually doing this, right? वो अपने स्कूल में बच्चों को ये वाली एक्टिविटीज़ एक्चुअली करवा रहे होंगे कि ये आपको हम रैली करते हैं, that is also important, but without wasting so many so many papers, chart papers, time also. So we can do this kind of activities in action also. That will be more useful, and that will be actually a beautiful word, isn't it? जो मुझे स्टूडेंट जानते हैं उनको पता होगा कि मैं अपने बेस पर अपने उस पर करती रहती हूँ ये सारे काम. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ, और आई एम ओनली प्रीचिंग, राइट? सो ना, व्हाट यू प्रीच यू प्रैक्टिस ऑल्सो, है ना? और मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ, दूर देखिए, आपको एक वो दिखाई दे रहे हैं, दे आर सोलर सिस्टम्स. सो दे आर यूजिंग सोलर सिस्टम्स ऑल्सो. तो कितना अच्छा हो ना, सारी बड़ी बिल्डिंग्स और सारे स्कूल्स, कॉलेजेस या फिर जो सोसाइटीज़ हैं, अगर सोलर सिस्टम्स वाकई में लग जाएंगे तो कितनी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हमारी कितनी सेव हो सकती है ना? जो हम सेव एनर्जी, सेव इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, सेव वाटर, सेव पेपर, हम सब कुछ करते हैं. सो देखो, दे आर सेविंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, एंड देयर अगेन आई कैन टेल यू, आई कैन शो यू, just wait. They are saving papers also, right? And the message is so important that even on this kind of chart paper, it is very much clear, right? And they are conveying this message, they are spreading this message by their actions also, isn't it? And they have all steel utensils, no the plastic bottles, plastic plates, nothing. So it is the dining area of that space. That actually I don't want to name this place here in my video. कभी हुआ तो वैसे बता भी दूंगी, ठीक है? So this is the message I wanted to give you to my students who just know me personally, and to everyone also, है ना? So हम बहुत politely हम रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं अपनी टीचर्स से, अपनी इंचार्जेस से, कि अगर हम इस तरीके से कम पेपर में ज़्यादा काम करेंगे तो ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा, isn't it? So beauty is not only in, I think, using, anyways, leave it, right? So this is what I wanted to say. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.